Hello students, we have discussed few topics of the set. Now let us do the exercise from NCERT. Okay, so let us start with 1.1. Now what is the first question? Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Now when we define the set, very clearly I said, what is a set? It is a collection of well-defined elements. So that well-defined word was very important. So that is what we are going to check here. Now see, the collection of all months of the year beginning with J. So what are the months which start with J? January, then February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, over. So it is a set because it is a well defined. Now the collection of, so I'll put here, if it is a set I'll put right, if it is not a set I'll put wrong. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. Now who is most talented? I feel I am very talented writer. Do you feel the same? Will our thought process will match? No. So this is wrong. Correct? Team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Again, who is best? This word best is a problem. Here this word talented was a problem. So this is also not a set. Okay, the collection of all boys in your class is a set. The collection of all natural number less than 100 is a set. The collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand is a set. The collection of all even integers is a set. Because it is well defined. All these things are well defined. The collection of question in this chapter is a set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Again, the adjective make it not a set. It is not a set because who is dangerous? I don't know. I love dogs. I have two dogs. But maybe you are too much scared of dogs. So for you, it is most dangerous. For me, it is most loving. So again, this is not a set. Right? Now let's move to the next question. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol belongs to or not belongs to in the spaces. Now 5, it belongs to A. 8, it does not belongs. 0, it does not belongs. 4 belongs to A. 2 belongs to A. 10 does not belongs to A. So very easy. Write the following sets in the roster form. Now when I am writing roster form, x is an integer. Okay, x is an integer and it is starting from -3, 4 minus, then -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 7 is not included. Okay, then x is a natural number less than 6. So natural number starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6, not equal to, only less than. So I should stop at 5. Now x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Now, so you need to figure out all the natural numbers whose sum is 8. So start with 1. Okay. So 2-digit natural numbers we have to write. So first digit when I am constructing 1. So what I should write next to 1 so that the sum become 8? 7. So first number becomes 17. Now if 17 is one number, 71 will also become one number. Now let us go to 2. Now next to 2 what I should write so that sum is 8? 6. So 26 is the answer. So 62 is also an answer. Okay. So 26 and 62. Then I go to 3. So next to 3 what I should write? 5. So 53 is also answer. Then I'll go to 4. So 4. Now 44 again I cannot write. Then I'll go to 5. So next to 5 what is there? 3, which I have already written. So I should stop here. Understood? Then next is x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So I should start collecting all the prime numbers which divides 60. So 2 means 30. 3 means 20. Okay, 4 is not a prime number, 5 is a prime number. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 6 is not prime number. 7 is a prime number, but 7 will not divide 60. Then 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 11, no. Then 12, yes, 12 fives are 60. Then 13, but see, here is a mistake. 12 fives are 60 is fine, but 12 is not a prime number, na? 13 is a prime number, which will not divide 60. 16, then 17 is a prime number, 19 is a prime number. So like that, you have to keep on testing which one is a prime and which one is not a prime. Okay, and that prime number should divide this. Now next is the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Now if you remember, I told you when you write the letters, repetition is not allowed. Like T I will write, then R I will write, I will write, G I will write, O I will write, N I will write, then O came again, so I will not write. M I will write, then E I will write, T I will not write because I have already written, R I will not write because I have already written, and then last I will write Y. So this will become my set, right? The set of all the letters in the word better, so it will come only B, E, T and R. Correct? Now write the following sets in the set builder form. So set builder form, when we are discussing, what I explained you have to always try to make a rule. Set builder is a rule. For example, if I look at the elements of this, first number is 3, second number is 3 into 2, third number is 3 into 3, fourth number is 3 into 4. So how I will write this x such that x is equal to 3n, where n belongs to capital N, and what is the last one? 4. So n is less than or equal to 4. Okay, or you can write where n is a natural number less than and equal to 4, or n is a natural number less than 5. Okay, now same we look at this one. This is like x such that x is equal to 2 to the power n, where n is natural number less than 6. Why less than 6? Because the last is 2 to the power 5. So less than or equal to 5 or less than 6, both are correct. Right? Now this is exactly same. X such that x is equal to 5 to the power n. So 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 4, where n is natural number less than 4. Correct? Only you need to understand the pattern. Now what is this? This is same as this one. Only in place of 3n I will write 2n. And then this one is done. Now what is this one? This is x such that x is equal to x square. Okay, not x square, sorry, n square, where n is a natural number, and you can write x is less than or equal to 100, or you can write n is less than or and equal to 10. Right? So this is how you can define the rule always. Correct? Now the next question is that you have to list out all the elements of this set. So let us try to list out all the elements. Let me make some space. Now if you look at the first question, A is this, x is an odd natural number. So how you will write? So first odd natural number is what? 1, 3, 5, 7, dash, dash, dash. Since they have not given the endpoint, I will also do like this. Okay. Now the next one is x is an integer between -1/2 and 9/2. So play smartly. If you think about number line, whenever you get confused, always think about number line. This is 0, This is minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 is somewhere here. Minus 1 by 2 means 0.5, right? So somewhere here between 0 and minus 1. What is 9 by 2? 9 by 2 is 4.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose this. So here it is 9 by 2. Correct. Now I am thinking about an integer. So when I am starting from minus 1 by 2, the first one will come 0. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3 and 4. Because 4.5. Correct. Same way, now go to the next question. Let me make some space for the next question. Now, look at this question now. X is an integer and x square is less than or equal to 4. When I am saying x square is less than or equal to 4, so here see, this question can be twisted in two ways. I'll tell you both the examples. Now, when I am saying x square is less than or equal to 4, we know that 1 square is less than or equal to 4, 2 square is less than or equal to 4, 3 square is ruled out, 0 square is less than or equal to 4, right? Minus 1 square is less than or equal to 4, minus 2 square is less than or equal to 4, correct? So now, since they are saying integer, my answer will be minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. If they say natural number, my answer will be from 1, 2. If they say whole number, my answer will be from 0, 1, 2. So this part is very important ki what category they are defining for X. Now the next question is letter in the word loyal. So you will write L, O, Y, A, that's it. L again you will not write. Next is X is a month of the year not having 31 days. So you start from January. Okay, January. Then February obviously will not have. Then March will have. Okay, so this way you count all the months and you should write down the months. Okay. Now the next one is X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. So you should write down all the consonants before K. Okay. Now come to the next one. Match each of the set on the left of the roster form with the same set on the right hand side. So now look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 6. Now here X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. So look at the prime number which is a divisor of 6. This. So this will go here. And obviously this looks very simple. I'll match this. Then X is a odd natural number. Odd is means this one. So obviously first one is this one. So I am done with the first exercise 1.1. Now let's move to the second exercise 1.2. Okay, now come to the 1.2. Now which of the following sets are the examples of null set? Now what the set of odd, okay, set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2. Now odd number, how it can be divisible by 2? Right, what is the definition of odd number? Which is not divisible by 2. Right. So here I have null set. So here I can say this is a null set. Set of even prime numbers. So it is a singleton set because 2 will come in it. Right. So this is not a null set. Now X is a natural number such that X is less than 5 and greater than 7. If you see the number line, this is 5, this is 6 and 7. And what I am saying, X should be less than 5 means this side. X should be greater than 7 means this side. So obviously it is a null set. So this is null set. Okay. Y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Parallel lines means what? This. So do they have any common point? No, because definition of parallel line is that they don't have any common point. Correct? So this is also a null set. Right? Now let's move to the next. Which one sets is finite or infinite? Set of month is a finite set. 1, 2, 3 is going finite set. Finite set. Set of positive integers greater than 100. Finite set. Set of prime numbers less than this. Finite set. Correct? Now see here one more thing. This so fine. Now when I am saying this dot dot dot, so where it is going? It is going till infinity. Right? So this will become an infinite set. Now the set of positive integers, if it is less than 100, it become finite. Greater than 100 become infinite. Okay. Now look at the third question. State whether each of the following set is finite or infinite. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis is infinite. Correct? The set of letters in the English alphabet is finite. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5, again it is infinite because they have not told me the end point. The set of animals on the earth is always, as I said, is finite. The set of circles passing through the origin is again infinite set. Okay. Then look at the fourth question. In the following state whether A is equal to B or not. A is there, A is there. B is there, B is there. C is there, C is there. D is there, D is there. So these two are equal. Now 4 is there, 4 is there. 8 is there, 8 is there. 12 is there, 12 is not there. So they are not equal, but they are equivalent. Okay. Now look at this. X is a positive even integer. Positive, it's positive also, it is even also. And x is less than and equal to 10. So yes, this is also equal. Okay, so third one is also equal. Now x is a multiple of 10 means 10, 20, 30 like that. But here comes 15 and 25. So they are not equal sets. They are not equal sets. Okay, now look at the fifth question. What is the fifth question? Are the following pair of sets equal? Give reasons. Now A is 2, 3 and the other is x is a solution of this. So this is a quadratic equation, right? So let us solve this quadratic equation. So x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. So x plus 3 plus 2 x plus 3. So x is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. But here the set is 2 and 3. So they are not equal sets. They are not equal set. They are equivalent but not equal. Now x is a letter in the word follow. So follow has F. Here also F is there. It has O. It has so have O. L. It has L. W. It has W. Means these two sets are equal. Okay. Now from the last one you have to select which sets are equal. Right. So now what are the sets equal sets? Where I have 2, 4, 8, 12. 2, 4, 8, 12. 2, 4, 8, 12. So for A I am not getting any pair. I didn't got any set equal to A. Ruled out. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. See D is 3, 1, 4, 2. So B and D are equal. Okay. Now C is, I can't see anything equal to C. So C is also ruled out. Right. Then go to E. E and G are equal. Then I don't have anything for H. I don't have anything for F. So we have discussed two exercises 11.1 and 11.2. The next exercise which we will be discussing will be the subsets. I have already taught you subsets. So I would like you guys to first practice subsets. Okay, first you practice subset, then we can do the exercise on subset. Or actually we can finish in 5 minutes. I will just give you the hint of the question so that you can finish the exercise. Make correct statements by filling the symbols. Now 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. So it is a subset. Right? So it is a subset. A, B, C. It is not a subset. X is a student of class 11th of your school and X is a student of your school. Yes, it is a subset. X is a circle in a plane. X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. Now see, this one you have to think properly. Okay, this one you should think. See, why this one is not a subset? It is actually a superset. Because I can have a circle with radius 2 unit also, na? So this is not a subset. Now x is a triangle in a plane and x is a rectangle in a plane. So again, it is not a subset. X is an equilateral triangle and x is a triangle. Yes, it is a set because equilateral triangle is always a triangle. X is an even natural number and x is an integer. Yes, of course it is a subset. Right? Now examine whether the following statements are true or false. AB is a subset of this. Yes, it is true. Right? It is a true because it is a subset. Right? See, AB is a subset of this and the question is AB is not a subset of this. So it becomes false. Okay. Then second one is A comma E is a subset of vowel. Yes, it is correct. Then 1, 2, 3 is a subset of, no, not at all. A is a subset of this. Yes, correct. A is a subset of this. A belongs to this. Now again see that game becomes belongs and subset. So when I am writing like this in parenthesis, so it is not belonging. So it becomes false. X is an even natural number less than 6. Even natural number means 2, 4 less than 6, right? It is a subset of natural number which divides 36. Okay, correct. So it is also a subset. Now look at the third one. 1, 2. Oh, this question, if you remember, we have already discussed in the video. So go back to the video of subsets and check this full question we have discussed over there. Now write down all the subsets of the following sets. So for A, what is a subset? One subset is A and another is null set. And if you remember, I spoke about the cardinality. So this is a set. Okay, this is a set with one element. So the number of subsets will be 2 to the power 1. Here it will be A, B, AB and null. Right? See, number of elements 2. So 2 to the power 2, 4. So yes, 4 I got, means I am correct. 1, 2, 3 is same, simple. 1 will come, 2 will come, 3 will come. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 3 and null set. And null set is a subset of itself. Correct. So this also is done. Now look at the fifth question. Now fifth question is write the following as intervals. Okay. So now when I write this as an interval, it is -4, comma 6. This is open interval. This is closed interval. Here -12, open interval, and -10, open interval. Okay. Next one is closed interval 0 to 7, open interval. Next one is closed interval 3, 4. Over. Now write down the following intervals in the set builder form. So set builder form means X. Okay. X such that, wait, I'll make the space, then we will do it. Okay. So now this one how I'll write? X such that X is from -3 to 0 because it is an open interval. Next, X such that X is from, where it went, 6 to 12. But since it is a closed interval, I should put like this. This one will be X, 6 and 12. X such that this. Okay. This one will be X such that X is from -23 included and 5 not included. Correct? What universal sets would propose for each of the following? Now, what universal set is proposing for this, that you have to write. Right? So now how I will discuss this question? Okay, so this will have set of right angles when I am saying set of all the triangles. Set of isosceles triangle means set of all the triangles. See, even if I say set of all the geometrical figures, okay, that is also correct. So universal set is something that you can define at any your thought process. Now look at the 8th question. Given the sets A, B, C, which of the following may be considered as universal sets for all the three sets A, B, C. Now see, universal set, what is a condition? That it should contain all the sets. So now you have to collect one which has everything. Now 1, 3, 5 is there in the first, 1, 3, 5 is there, okay, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6 here is there, then 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is missing. So this cannot be, this obviously not. Here 0 is not there, so this is also not, and this is the answer. So with this we are done with the 3 exercises, and my next video I will be discussing about the Venn diagram and operation on the sets. Thank you.